C1 electric scooter with the seat. It's got a 450 watt brushless hub motor in the rear, coupled with a 36 volt 7.5 amp hour lithium battery housed underneath the deck, and that should give you a range of about 20 to 22 miles. Top speed is 15 miles an hour. It's got 12-inch tires with this really cool rim design. We have mechanical brakes front and rear with a 140 millimeter rotor. The deck, as I mentioned, is 9.5 inches wide. We got a metal storage bin. The scooter has a front headlight as well as an active brake light, which is insane. My $5,000 Suron doesn't have an active brake light, and this scooter has it. Weight limit on this thing is 265 pounds. The stem over here folds, so if you just undo this, you can fold the stem, and then it just locks into place. The seat is adjustable in height as well. And other than that, we just have our half twist throttle, digital display, and we got a bell. So those were all the specs on this thing. Let's continue riding and see what kind of experience we get from it.